Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll walk you through a really handy tip in Canva, how to unlock a page if you ever find yourself locked out of editing and want to regain full control of your design. Whether you're organizing team projects or just want to safeguard your layout for a bit, understanding how Canva's lock and unlock features work is a useful skill. By the end of this quick guide, you'll know exactly how to lock and unlock any page, so you never have to worry about getting stuck again. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, start by heading over to Canva. If you haven't already, open it up in your browser or on the app. Once you're in, look to the upper right for that Create a Design button. Go ahead and give it a click. This is where all your new projects begin. Now you're going to need to set a custom size for your design. In this example, let's choose something simple like 100 by 50 pixels. Just type in those numbers when prompted. This just gives us a nice blank canvas to work with. Then hit Create New Design. Canva will pop open a fresh workspace for you with your custom dimensions all set. Once your blank design opens up, let's give ourselves something to work with by adding a template. On the left sidebar, you'll find templates. Click through and pick any style you like. It doesn't matter which you choose right now. The goal is just to have something on your page to interact with. It's kind of like setting up a test environment before diving into real work. Okay, here where it gets interesting. Before we can unlock a page, we actually have to lock it first. Think of it like locking a door so we can practice unlocking it later. This helps you see what changes when a page is locked and why unlocking comes in handy. So with your template added, make sure you're on the correct page in your design. Look along the top or edge of the page for a small lock icon. This can take a second to locate if you're new to it, so don't worry if it takes an extra moment. When you find the lock icon, click it. What you've done now is secure the page. Nothing on it can be adjusted until it's unlocked again. This feature is perfect if you're collaborating with others or want to prevent accidental edits. It's like putting your work under glass until you're ready to make more changes. Now say you want to make further tweaks or you just locked the page by accident. Unlocking is just as easy. Click on the page again and you'll see that lock icon, but this time it will look locked. Click on it and you'll get the option to unlock. Go ahead and select that. Instantly, Canva will let you edit the page again. No more roadblocks. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few quick steps, you can lock and unlock any page in Canva, keeping your work protected when you want and editable when you need it. If you run into any issues, don't panic. Just double check that you're clicking on the correct page and that the lock icon is visible. Thanks so much for following along. If you found this quick guide helpful, give it a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more Canva tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more bite-sized, easy-to-follow tutorials just like this one. Happy designing, and I'll see you in the next video.